handle your luggage. Please, don't worry. And this is for this, you are checking here. Alright, sir. Are you ready to go to your room now? Alright, sir. Please follow me. That's it. Yes. Sabutan, this is your room. I will check it first. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Okay, sir. This way. I will check it. Alright, sir. Welcome to your room. And this is television. The television is national and international channel, and this is your remote control television. Alright, sir. This is if you want to take the food and drink, you will be charged. And this is a safe deposit box. You go to save document. And this is telephone. If you want to help, please press 99 for the call the reception. Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing, sir.
You are welcome, sir. Have a nice day. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. I just are you ready to go now? Alright, do you have a luggage? Alright, I will handle your luggage. Alright, Mr. Chitra, please follow me. You go to the front spot there. Hello, Mr. Please first. Alright, Mr. Putra, I will you to escort the reception desk for the check-out. Alright, Mr. Putra, this is from desk. You check out here. I will handle your luggage. Alright, Mr. Putra, this is your client luggage ticket. If there is anything else, Mr. Putra? Alright, Mr. Putra, have a nice day.